I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Lights operational and the high beam indicator illuminates. Reach for the stalk or button and activate high beams now. Press firmly or push the stalk away so the circuit latches. Once done, glance at the dashboard indicator to ensure it's on. Use them only on dark roads without streetlights or on rural highways. The why? High beams increase visibility distance so you can identify hazards sooner, but they must be used responsibly to avoid blinding other drivers. Once you're underway, scan ahead and monitor oncoming traffic continuously. When another vehicle approaches within roughly 500 to 600 feet, quickly switch back to low beams so you don't dazzle the other driver. Make sure your headlight alignment is correct. Misaligned beams reduce your effectiveness and increase glare, so adjust per the owner manual if needed. You can also use a quick flash, briefly toggle high beams, to communicate presence without staying on high. Keep your eyes moving between. To finish, switch back to low beams as you approach intersections, urban areas, or when following another vehicle. If the high beam indicator or lights don't behave, stop safely and inspect bulbs and fuses. A blown bulb or loose connector is a common cause and should be replaced or tightened. If another driver flashes at you, assume you're creating glare, dim immediately and check aim. The key troubleshooting tip: if beams seem weak but bulbs are fine, have your headlight alignment and lens clarity checked to restore proper reach and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.